Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add or remove accounts in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on accounts and backup. Now in accounts and backup, click on manage accounts. Now if you want to remove the account, then tap on the account that you want to remove and then click on remove account. Now from this pop-up, again click on remove account. So when you will click on remove account here, it will remove your account from your mobile. And if you want to add a new account to your mobile, then click on add account. Now from here, choose the account name that you want to add. Now from here, you can choose any account that you want to add. So if you want to add a new Google account, then tap on Google and then first of all verify your identity. You can use your lock screen pin password or pattern, or you can scan your fingerprint to verify your identity. And after that, enter your email.
J Juliet Z Y Yankee E R Romeo R D O R G E Echo at G Golf.
Now after adding the Gmail, click on next and then fill the reCAPTCHA code. And after completing the reCAPTCHA code, click on next. Now enter your password and then your account will be added to your mobile. So that's how you can add or remove accounts in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.